Welcome to another walkthrough video for some of you who can't get in as yet, to inspire you to come and join Fourth Star. So let's go and see some another spot. Here we are in lift lobby, and from here there is the access to many parts of Fourth Star. Here we are in the lift, and here is the menu. So for today I have chosen Artist Green Room. Okay, here we are in a place. Once the entertainment is set up, here we can meet with our favorite artists and have a chat with them and discover their secrets, and we'll be able to sit around, and you can sit down. Here we go. Sit down, and we can watch on a screen. Oh, my Lamborghini! And here the artist will be standing and performing and talking with you and answering your questions, or just have a bit of party. So that's the one stop for this video. I see you soon in Fourth Star. Bye.